Hello friends, welcome to Sapima tutorial. I want us to solve this problem we have on the board. We are given two functions, this and this, and we are told to use product rule to differentiate this one. Then we find the second order derivative of this one, that is differentiating this function two times. So to solve product rule states that dy over dx is equal to u v prime plus vu prime. That means keep u and differentiate v, then keep v, you differentiate u. We can as well write it as u differentiation of v with respect to x plus v du over dx. That means we keep u and differentiate v with respect to x, keep v and differentiate u with respect to x. So let us solve. So we must take note that our u is equal to the first one, this. We can also write this as x raised to the power of 1 over 2, so that we'll be able to differentiate it. Then our v will be equal to 1 plus 2x raised to the power of 2. So what do? Let's differentiate the first one. Differentiating the first one, the u with respect to x will give me half will come down, so I'll have 1 over 2x. The power will subtract 1. So if 1 over 2 subtracts 1, we're going to have minus 1 over 2. So we have differentiated u. Then let us differentiate v. Differentiation of v with respect to x. If I differentiate a constant, I will have a 0. So it is off. Then differentiate here. 2 will come down and multiply these two. So I will have 4. Then 2 will subtract 1. The power is gone. So this is 4x. Then let us substitute into this function or formula. So my u is the square root of v of x. So I'll keep it square root of x dot, that is multiplying the derivative of v, which is this. Look at it, 4x. So I'll have 4x plus, keep v now. My v is this, 1 plus 2x raised to the power 2, multiplying, this is multiplying our derivative of u. This is our u, derivative of u, which is this. We have 1 over 2x raised to the power of minus 1 over 2. Then let us multiply. If this multiplies here, I will have 4x into square root of x plus. Then for this one, let's simplify here first. If I have x raised to the power 1 over 2, this is same as square root of x. Now because it has a negative, it is 1 over the square root of x. Then this half is multiplying it. If we multiply by 1 over 2, of course 2 with times here, we have 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So what we will have is 1 over 2 square root of x. Then multiply it against this one. This is 1 plus 2x squared. If I multiply this guy against 1, I will now have 1 plus 2x squared. Alright, so this is what we'll have for everything we have here. So let us write it here. 1 plus 2x squared all over 2 square root of x. So we can leave it at this point, but you can solve the LCM of these two numbers so that you can bring the both of them together. The LCM is 2 square root of x. You can do that. Thank you so much for paying attention. For the second question, I will solve it in the next video. I don't want this video to be very lengthy. So watch out for the next video I will upload, which is coming immediately after this one. All right. So thank you so much. Please like this video, share it to your friends. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.